if you're a newbie watching this video and if you want to make money online, if you want to make $2,000 commissions per day as an affiliate and have the lifestyle like this, as you can see over here, then what you have to do, and remember, is this. You need a system that's going to pay you exactly $2,000 or more per sale. Why? Because in that case, if you're making $1,000 commissions or $2,000 per day commissions per each sale, it will enable you to have the great lifestyle, as you can see here on my photos on my Instagram, right? It will enable you to travel around the world, to pay different bills, and what's most important, you'll be able to make money while you are doing something else passively. Why? Let me show you exactly the proof. As you can see over here, right? This is the system that works wonders for us. Why? Look, we have leads that are working, autoresponders that are generating leads for me while I'm sleeping or outside doing anything else. You can see over here, those are just new one today. You see level none, those just sign up. So this one here already bought $2,500 package. So I just got passive $2,000 commission. As you can see over here, action, right? You can just click email and the system will send them the email automatically. So it's all pre-done for me. That's the best thing, you see. I don't have to look for leads. The leads are coming to me because the system works for me. It's done for me system, right? So that's why it works magic. It works wonders, because once you have the autoresponder in place, right? You basically have your own email list. So you can email them, right? You don't have to write your own email because the system has emails done for you. So that works really, really well. As you can see over here, I just got today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leads, right? In the morning. So basically in 1 hour and a half, 6 leads. And out of 6 leads, I had Vertex Live, meaning that someone bought the package for $2,500 and the company paid me $2,350 commissions, right? So it works really well. Now, how it works, as you can see over here, this is the system, right? The links are below this video, you can click them later. But it works well because you have different packages in place and you get 100% commissions instantly paid to your bank account. So you can see over here, when someone click on this link, they can put the email. If you go straight to my autoresponder, they will receive the email from the company, and the work is basically done for you. You don't have to waste time and money on other things, or setting up complicated ads or landing pages. Why? Because you can see over here, right, in the dashboard, we have different packages. So all these small packages are included in the big one. So if you buy the Vertex Live for $2,500, you will get opt-in pages done for you, social media pack, multi-page funnels, and build for you websites. As well, you get from me bonus, which is one-on-one support. We can set up Google Ads together. Basically, I'm using Google. Why? Because Google target buyers. You see, buyers are the most important. The most important thing is not free. Everyone thinks that in sales or marketing, the most magic word is free. It's not. The magic word is intent. So what is intent? Intent is desire behind the purchase, behind opt-in, right? When the person is on Google, they are basically looking for solutions. They're looking for the product to buy. When they are on Instagram and Facebook, they are not there basically to buy. Yes, they can buy through Facebook ads, but the main intent is to connect on Messenger with friends and family members, right? You don't wake up in the morning, go to Facebook to buy, right? So if you go to Google, search, you type in the keyword, how to get rid of my back pain, how to make money online, what is the best affiliate program out there, right? You looking, basically you're targeting buyers. So this is what I do, right? I spent $100, sometimes $200, and I get $2,500 sale. So I spent $200 and I made $1,900 or even $2,000 commission in the same day. So it works really, really well because there is a system, there is the intent behind it, right? Business opportunities, big space, big niche. People will always look to make money online. They will always look on the side hustle. So it's a great way, right? It enables them and you to have time plus freedom and money, right? Because you can make these big fat commissions, $2,000. You can also make small one for $500, you see over here, and you can make also $1,000 commissions. So ask yourself, do you want to have system that is done for you, built for you, that enables you to have a little bit of more time on the side with your family and friends or yourself, and also to travel the world to make big fat commissions? Because let me be honest, it's the same effort and time it will take you to make $100 sale than is to make $2,000 sale, right? So it will take you the same effort and time. So why not opt in for the big commissions because you can make your money back with only one sale. It will take you only one sale to make money back. Is the fastest break-even plan I ever saw, the best plan, right? And also, it enables you to make money fast, quickly, right? If you need money for bills, for payment, you need 5 sales or 4 sales in a month to make $10,000. And as I show you here, you have leads basically given to you. You have $500 from me, you get $500 bonus, which is basically free leads. And you see as well the system have for you here email autoresponder setup, so you don't have to write any emails. They done it for you. They will send you the leads every single day. And I was really happy today because you see over here 𝗪𝗁 means that someone bought from those 6 leads, 1 lead bought $2,500 𝗪𝗁. I can show you over here as well 𝗪𝗁, you see, and I got $2,350 commission paid to me in the same day. So why not choose something that's the best for you, and you have someone to guide you through step by step along the way, so you can start generating commissions. I don't know, like once you see those baby steps you have to take, now you will realize how quickly and effortlessly you can start making money online once you have the system that is really working wonders for you while you are away doing something else, right? So I love email marketing, I love Google Ads, because you can target specifically people, and sometimes, as you can see over here, you can get from the free leads from the company, you can get sales, right? You can get, as you see over here, 𝗪𝗁 level, someone bought, right? Those people only sign up, but this person bought, so I made $2,350 commission today. So again, if you want to have someone to guide you through step by step, to have support and everything set up for you, then click the link below this video. In the description below this YouTube video are going to be links. You can also reach out to me, as you can see here, on my Instagram. We can connect, and if you have any kind of questions to work and make money online, then reach out to me. And as you can see here are all the packages. So the best one is for $2,500 US. You have also smaller ones, but in this case you make all the commissions, mean small one and big one. So choose what is the best long term for you. Again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, and see you in the next one.